Good morning viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel of astrologer Anil Agarwal. Today we will be talking about the stock and financial markets. You know, the heading of the article is, are we heading for a financial crisis parallel 1987-1929? Planetary position indicate parallel positions, astrologer Anil Agarwal. So friends, I have been mentioning in all my articles and videos that the planetary positions are becoming most venomous, especially whenever the Jupiter and Saturn meet together, and especially in the sign Capricorn. It is a time for big change in the universe. Maybe it is good for infrastructure, there will be rebuilding of things. But before that, there can be a crash, because there is a planetary war between Jupiter and Saturn, and it has been observed that whenever the stock markets take a hit, Sun has been in Libra, it either in the sign Virgo or Libra, and Mercury and Venus are also in these signs, and the longitudinal distance between them is minimum. It has also been observed that Sun is afflicted by Saturn, and since Sun is in Libra and Saturn is in Capricorn, Saturn will aspect Sun by the 10th strong aspect. Sun will also be aspected by Mars, so Sun will be totally afflicted. This is one of the parameters for the break in the stock and financial markets. The other is the Venus, the affliction to Venus. Affliction to Venus is there by fallen Mars. 21 degrees, Venus is opposed by 21 degrees on the 10th of November. Because before Sun goes in Scorpio, whatever has to happen will happen before Sun goes in Scorpio. And there is affliction to Sun, and there is affliction to Mercury and Venus also, and the longitudinal distance. You know, when these markets topped up, and when Nifty was beyond 12,000, the longitudinal distance between Mercury and Venus was 54 degrees. Now this will be reduced to 12 degrees on the 10th of November. And there will be almost degree aspect of fallen Mars on Sun at 21-22 degrees. And the another unfortunate part is that this Mars will be transiting in the 8th house of the foundation chart of US, and it will be aspecting degree wise the Sun in the 11th house in Gemini sign. There is bound to, and where Mars, Jupiter, Venus and Sun is placed, so there is bound to be some major effect, and it will be after the elections. So what could be the reason? The reason is crystal clear. Trump may not be able to regain the seat, he may not be able to rise to the occasion, and Joe Biden may come in position, and because of that, there could be the crack in the stock and financial markets. There could be some other troubles also, as I've already discussed earlier, that after 3rd of November it's not a good time for US. So friends, this is all I just wanted to compare, and I have in this article I have compared all the time frames when there was hit in the stock and financial markets. I will read out those parameters. It is very difficult to read out the complete article. This is a research article, and in this research article I have tried to analyze each and everything, and there are I have also made the chart of the 10th November in this, and I will read out. Sun in Libra and afflicted by Saturn and Mars both, most crucial for a break in the stock and financial markets. Jupiter fallen in fiery Rashi Sagittarius, Sun and Mercury in Libra and Venus in Virgo. Mars aspects Venus degree wise. Mercury Venus longitudinal distance is 12.52. Rahu in Taurus and Ketu in Scorpio. This is also another point. Jupiter in Papkatri Yoga. Sagittarius sign in Papkatri Yoga. Mercury having aspects by both Mars and Saturn. Mars aspects Sun degree-wise in transit, and also the foundation chart of US by 4th aspect from the 8th house. Saturn completed 30-year cycle from June 1987, 90 crisis, 90-year cycle from 1929. So in a nutshell, we can say that the time has come. November month will be the most crucial month, because every time we have seen 24th of October 1929, 19th of October 1987, all the time when Sun is afflicted, so when Sun is debilitated and afflicted, especially by Saturn, then there is a crack in the financial markets. So friends, this is all I just wanted to share. I have written a detailed article. It's a research article. If my predictions go wrong, please don't blame me. There are not much done by astrologers as a research, and I have tried to tabulate all the points what have happened earlier. The Mars affliction to Rahu and Ketu from 26th March to 2nd April 2021 is another time frame, and then before that is the 12th February 2021, when there will be 6 planets in the sign Capricorn. So friends, this is all I just wanted to discuss. So one time frame which I had mentioned from 25th September, and I said there is countdown has started, and we had a break in the stock market. The NIFT, the what you call BSE Sensex had dropped by 1,000 points in a day. Then 2-3 days together, it was about total of 2,000 some odd points, but later on the market regained, and again it has gone to almost 12,000. But the longitudinal distance between Mercury and Venus is reducing, because Mercury has become retrograde on the 14th of October. So friends, when Mercury becomes retrograde and nears Venus, and when Venus and Mercury are both afflicted along with Sun, then this is the time for a break in the stock and financial markets. So friends, this is all I just wanted to share. So friends, have a nice day, and thank you for listening to me, and bye bye.